Most early career marketers fail at growth marketing because we study tools in isolation instead of connected systems. This was completely confusing to me until I mapped it out visually. I am still figuring this system out, but I spent the last 3 days testing a specific AI workflow to see if ChatGPT could help me reverse engineer Notion's actual product-led onboarding. In this video, I am taking you through the exact problem, my 4-step AI research process, the raw friction points where AI completely failed, and the final visual funnel map you can steal for your own portfolio. So let's straight dive into the action. First, we need to extract Notion's core message. I copied the raw text from their primary landing page and fed it to ChatGPT using a structural copywriting prompt to analyze their hooks. And here is the prompt. The AI broke down their psychological triggers perfectly, highlighting how Notion handles friction. Notice how their positioning focuses heavily on team collaboration rather than individual note-taking. But analyzing a landing page is only 10% of the game. The real marketing happens during the user activation. I signed up live to capture their exact onboarding flow. So I followed all the onboarding steps from Notion, and I also documented this for sharing it with the chatbot later on. So after finishing all the steps from onboarding, I asked ChatGPT to map the connection between the onboarding email and the workspace itself. And it just gave me a generic answer, textbook definitions of product-led growth, even after that detailed prompt. The thing happened here, the AI cannot see what's happening inside the actual user experience, so I had to stop relying on the tool and manually map how Notion uses pre-made workspace templates to trigger their paid upgrade paths. I took my raw testing notes, combined them with the AI's copywriting breakdowns, and built this clean visual funnel map. If you're trying to get hired as a growth marketer or digital builder, this is exactly how you create a case study that stands out. You show that you have knowledge over the connected systems, but not just an isolated ad campaign. You don't need to build this from scratch. Steal my exact prompting stack and this funnel map layout from my website with the link down below. Adjust it to your own target case study and start building your own marketing portfolio. Comment below with the next brand funnel you want me to dissect, and I will catch you guys in the next experiment. Thank you very much for watching. Until then, peace.